Okay, so when I went to SlideShare, I found a presentation on Ralph Waldo Emerson. And the slide that we're looking at, the slide that I found, biography, I felt that it was a bit wordy. And also, it cuts off at the bottom. If you look at the PowerPoint, it says he was 78. And on the SlideShare, you can't even see it, not even when you make it full screen. I also didn't like the graphic that was chosen because there's a lot going on within the graphic and it can be distracting. Maybe the person should have put that graphic on a separate page and made it a little bit bigger. So my solution was to create a simple slide, and I changed the language. Ralph Waldo Emerson was an influential intellectual who left his mark on European thought as a writer, poet, and essayist. He died of pneumonia in Concord. Okay, but let's look at this one. So, change it up just a little bit and make sure that everything fit. So the second slide that I wasn't really too fond of was this one because it's not really titled. The title's to the side and it's a graphic. So it's a little bit weird to look at. And there's also another graphic that's a quote. So I didn't like that graphics were used. I thought that it was unnecessary use of graphics and it wasn't very consistent. And also it's hard to focus and figure out where to start reading. I'm kind of like looking all over the page. So I made it a little bit more simple. I just titled it Famous Ralph Waldo Emerson Quotes and just listed a few of his quotes. And it's more direct and I feel like it's more effective straight on. Okay, so those were my violations and solutions.